So hey there and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will walk you through how to add your custom domain to ProtonMail. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in, but before that make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, you need a ProtonMail Plus or higher plan to use custom domains. So make sure to you have a Proton Plus or higher plan, because without them you cannot add a custom domain to ProtonMail. So first of all, you have to go to protonmail.com. Then from there you can see this option called create a free account or login if you already have an account. So you can just sign in if you have an account. And here you can see, after scrolling down, you can add like no more trackers in your box. You can block email trackers from here and many more. Like the standard for email privacy, you can add newsrooms, activists and international organization to academics, Nobel Prize winners and movie characters. So that means you can just add many more custom things. And also ProtonMail is the trusted choice for secure and private communication. Over 100 million people worldwide believe their online privacy is worth protecting by using ProtonMail. So here you can see the features that ProtonMail Plus privacy offers. So let me show you that it offers like it protects you from spam and phishing. It protects your password. It sets passwords and expiration dates for your emails to securely send confidential information to your contacts, even if they don't have any ProtonMail. Okay. It can hide my email aliases, like you can create aliases when you sign up for new websites. By hiding your real email addresses, you can prevent phishing attacks and reduce spam. So you can also schedule emails to send at a conventional time for your recipient. You can snooze incoming emails to read later and undo sends to make last minute flexes. You can enjoy the ease and available on platforms like security of ProtonMail on all your devices with their open source apps for web desktop. That means that you can use ProtonMail on any device, like on your Android, your iOS, if you are on a website, you're on your desktop, anywhere. You can also use them on your iPads or Android pads, and you can unsubscribe it with one click. Like you can unsubscribe from mailing list and keep your inbox clutter free. So you can just play around these features. You can also tap onto this, see all security features, and you can see there are more features. Like it offers strong encryption at all times. You can open source and transparent. You can use unique defenses against email attacks. Also, it offers better security through privacy, and you can build by and for your community. Now let's move forward to the main options. Like you can create a free account right here on the ProtonMail. Just tap on to create a free account, and if you already have an account, you can log in. Now as you can see, ProtonMail offers a free service. It has Mail Plus, Proton Unlimited and Proton Family offers. So let's look out to their offers. So as you can see, the Mail Plus offers 15 GB of storage, 10 email addresses, and it offers unlimited folders, labels and filters that you can use. You can also use unlimited messages per day. You can send unlimited messages per day using Proton with extra privacy. You can use one custom email domain. You can use their extra priority support, like you can get their priority support and Proton calendar for just $4, which is actually 3.99 euro at minus 20% discount. Okay, and they had Proton Unlimited offer. This is the recommended one they offers to the customers. So let's see what they offers on the Proton Unlimited offer, which is basically 9.99 euro, around $10 at minus 23% discounts. So they offer 500 GB storage, 15 email addresses, unlimited folders, labels and filters that you can use, also unlimited messages per day. You can add 3 custom email domains. You can use their priority support and Proton calendar. Now let's look up to their final offer, which is Proton family offer, which is almost 24 euro, like $23.99. So it offers 3 terabyte storage, 90 email addresses, unlimited folders, labels and filters, unlimited messages per day, 3 custom emails, domains. You can use their priority supports and also Proton calendar. So you can check up to their monthly offers here also. By the way, this one was their yearly offer. There's also monthly offer that you can check out. So for now we are gonna go with the free plan. Now you have to enter your Proton account username. So let's see, for example, we're gonna name it the Digital Express. We're gonna name it Digital Express and then at the proton.com. Okay, this username already exists, so let's add something like Digital Express IO. Hope that does not exist. That's good. Now you have to enter your password. You have to use a strong password. So just use a strong password here. For example, I'm gonna use a password which is, I'm gonna type a random password here. Shit. Okay. Let's add a random password here. Then I'm gonna copy it. Okay, just let me use strong passwords. Then can I use then tab on the start using ProtonMail now. Now here you can see that they offer a limited offer which is €1 for your first month, but for now I'm gonna tap on to no thanks as I don't need it right now. Now you have to verify that you are a human. You have to capture this one. You have to verify yourself. So just I'm gonna solve this puzzle right now, then tap next. So the captcha is completed. Now it is welcoming you for choosing ProtonMail. So after logging in, it will redirect you to their dashboard. Wait, let it confirm. I will add maybe later. Wait until the page is loaded. So as you can see right now, I am on the ProtonMail's official dashboard. So now let's move forward to how you can add the domain to ProtonMail. In ProtonMail, as you are on the dashboard, you have to go to the dashboard. From there you have to tap onto settings, find the settings option. Wait, here you can see at the top right corner here the settings option. Tap onto it and you have to tap on all settings. The first one, tap onto that option, and on the left panel you can see the domain names. Under the ProtonMail you will find an option called domain panel. Let me find that. Domain mail. So from here you can add your domain names and then you have to click next, and you have to verify your domain ownership. Then as you can see, I'm just not seeing the option which is the domain name. It should be somewhere here at the left panel. So as you can see the option domain names, you have to tap onto this, and from there you have to tap onto upgrade, like include the main plus. As I already told you, you need domain Proton Plus in order to connect your domain to it. So If you have the domain Proton Plus, then you can just tap onto this option and you can see all the steps to connect it. So this was pretty much it. This is how you can add domain mails to your Proton mails, like domain to Proton mails. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.